Hi, in this short video we are going to see one of the high yield areas of hematology, that is pathogenesis of chronic myelogenous leukemia. The first one you have to know here is the chimeric BCR-ABL fusion gene. It is nothing but the balanced reciprocal translocation between chromosome 9 and 22. So ABL gene from chromosome 9 goes and attaches to adjacent to BCR gene in chromosome 22. So this results in BCR-ABL derivative, which results in BCR-ABL fusion mRNA that results in formation of BCR-ABL fusion protein. Remember, this BCR-ABL fusion protein is very important because the size of this protein will be asked as an MCQ. So what is the size of this protein? It is 210 kilodalton size. This is a very important high yield point. And this protein will activate the tyrosine kinase constitutively, which means the bone marrow progenitor cells will proliferate and survive without depending on the growth factor, which we call it as growth factor independent proliferation and survival. But the important point to note here is it does not affect the differentiation, which is very important, and that is why we tend to see lot of mature elements in chronic myelogenous leukemia. Okay, so the differentiation is normal. Coming to the second point, it is Philadelphia chromosome, which is nothing but after the balanced reciprocal translocation have taken place, the newly formed or derivative chromosome 22 or shortened chromosome 22 is called as Philadelphia chromosome. So in this picture you can see chromosome 9 with ABL gene in red color and chromosome 22 with BCR gene in green color. Okay, so now what happens? This is actually a normal one. Okay, now the breakage is going to take place at this 2 point here and here. So once the breakage takes place, what happens? This part of chromosome 22 is going to move towards chromosome 9, and this ABL gene from chromosome 9 is going to move towards chromosome 22. That is why this is called as balanced reciprocal translocation. So once they move, what happens? This part from chromosome 22 is attached to chromosome 9. Okay, and this ABL gene from chromosome 9 which moves towards chromosome 22 is attached here. So this results in development of BCR-ABL fusion protein. Listen here, this is the length of the chromosome 22 and this is the length of the chromosome 22 in cml. So you can see the length of the chromosome is shortened. So this shortened derivative chromosome 22 is called as Philadelphia chromosome, and this is how it appears in cml. Thank you.